kumusta po ang bawat isa? Alright, it will be like this. When I say hep hep, you will respond hooray! Hep hep!
Hooray!
More louder, scream and shout one, hep hep!
Hooray!
Sa dulo at the back, hep hep!
Hooray!
All together, hep hep!
Hooray!
Alright, I love the energy. Once again, good afternoon to each and every one. Another enchanting event in the life of our birthday celebrant that is coupled with a much more exciting program. Because for tonight, we're going to witness and celebrate the first joyous birthday celebration of our adorable birthday celebrant, no other than Marcus Brain Colegio Asman. By the way, my name is Stanley Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I'm welcome here in the Apple residence here in Japan. For sure, we'll have fun and exciting activities, so please stay tuned. Sit back and relax. And Asman family on the grand entrance. Parang hindi ko pa rin nararamdaman yung energy ng crowd. Are you all excited to meet the Colegio Asman on the grand entrance? Say yes if you're ready. Yes. Scream and shout, come on. Scream and shout, come on. More louder, scream and shout, come on. All together, say yes, come on. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, let us all rise. Let us all stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat sa Tagalog. And without further ado, please help me to welcome the Colegio and Asman family, together with Daddy Omar, Mommy Lorraine, and our adorable birthday celebrant, Marcus Brain Asman Colegio, on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Daddy Omar, Mommy Lorraine, and our adorable birthday celebrant, Marcus Brain Colegio Asman, a grand entrance. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause. Brain Asman, as he celebrated for the first year of life, who was born on Brain Specialist Hospital on September 25, 2023. A baby boy who's independent, strong-willed, silly, talkative, and very smart. He likes to eat anything his little hands get a hold of. Loves to play with other kids. He is curious and loves to learn new things. Once again, a big round of applause for this beautiful family, the Colegio and Asman family! Kids and adults, are you all ready for the birthday song?
Yes!
Say yes, scream and shout, come on!
Yes!
Scream and shout, come on!
Yes!
All together, say yes, come on! Ladies and gentlemen, in my counting, we will sing all together a birthday song for Marcus in 1, resume in 2, 3. Come on. Happy birthday that you thought Daddy Omar and Mommy Lorraine will do the wish for him. You can close your eyes in this amazing audition.
For this baby, I have faith in you.
If you're ready, you can blow the candle. 2, 3, come on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's say all together, happy first birthday, Marcos, in 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday!
And welcome to Christian World. Welcome to Christian World! I love the energy. Alright, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please off the ground. A message coming from Daddy Omar. How about for Mommy Lorraine?
Nag-ready ako para hindi ako naiyak. So, eto na. To my baby Botchong, I love you from the bottom of my heart. I pray to the Lord that may you grow following His will in your life. Know that we will always be here to love, guide, and support you according to His will. I hope you keep surprising us with your extraordinary skills that you have learned yourself. Kasi magaling siya matuto ng sarili lang nila. Minsan nagugulat na lang kami one day, ay, kaya mo yan? So, keep surprising us, and I pray for your success, health, and wisdom. I love you dearly, and Mama will always be here to protect you. Happy birthday!
What a wonderful and heartwarming message coming from the proud and loving parents of Marcus, Daddy Omar, and Mommy Lorraine. Abang hindi magpapahuli, si Lola Thelma Miri, invite her in front of the stage.
God's a child, and he always be humble, kind, humble and kind, and always follow what your heart desires, and on your grown-up days, just follow and obey your parents, and most is follow God in everything you do. Thank you so much, Lord, for giving us a baby son, Marcus. I love you, baby. Hi, Marcus. Happy birthday. Marcus, come look at Mommy Marcus. Hey. Happy birthday. I pray, we all pray for good health, protection from God, and hopefully you will grow up a good baby, following your mom and your dad, and also knowing God, especially God. And yeah, we'll always be here for you, of course. Mommy and Daddy and Kuya Elijah will be here for you always. We love you so much, baby. God bless you. Thank you.
I expect na ito nga. Kasi that day, na nalaman niya ng buntis siya, nag-iinuman pa kami ng tequila. So anyway, one bottle of Patron. So that day na we realized na, oh my God, pregnant ka pala. So ang bilis, ang lakas niyang kumapit. But wish all the best, both parents, Omar and Lorraine. You make stronger because of Marcos. I know the story and everything. So, siya yung blessing para sa inyo. So, dito lang kami, yung mga nina, na magagabay kay Marcos, para lumaki siya ng maayos. May takot sa Diyos. And Marcos, happy birthday! And welcome to the Christian world. Thank you!
Ang sweet naman ng message ni Mang Bambi. Hindi rin magpapahuli, another godparent.
But I would like to say that we're all live for baby Bambi there, whatever he needs, especially in guiding him to the right path. Thank you.
Thank you, Marcos.
Wish ko lang, grow slowly, huwag masyadong magulit. Respect and love for parents.
mabuti. And we need some here as well. Alright, thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Marcus. Sana ka may tapos sa Diyos and always honor when you grow up, honor your parents because you're mom and dad do the best for you. God bless you.
Kita God bless. Sabihin niya natin bawat isa. God bless you, Marcus. All together in 1, 2, 3. God bless you, Marcus. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the most exciting part of our program, the first symbol. May we have Daddy Omar and Mommy Lorraine to open the first gift for their son, Marcus. Take it away. Ready na ba silang ma-witness ang first gift for the first symbol? Naku, parang kulang yung energy. Ready na ba silang ma-witness ang first gift, first symbol? Hulaan nyo, ano kayong laman ng kahon na ito? Shout your yes! Naku, parang kulang ha. Kailangan natin ang audience participation. Ano po ang laman ng kahon?
Washing machine.
Ano kaya ate? Ref. Tama kayong hula natin, bibigyan natin ng prize yung may tamang hula. Ano po ang laman ng first gift?
Bata.
Bata. Malaki-laki din yung bata. How about for this table, what is the gift for the box?
It's a car.
It's a car. Parang tama kung car yun, no? We will find out kung ano ang laman ng first gift for the first symbol. Alright, take it away, Mommy Lorraine and Daddy Omar. Open the first gift. May kinalaman ba sa Formula 1? Parang meron nga. Ano kaya ang kulay ng gift? Is it color blue? Is it color red? Mamili lang kayo. Is it red or blue? Tama kayo choices nyo. Is it red or blue? Red. Tama! Oh my God! Amazing gift coming from the parents of Marcus. Ang ganda naman ng sakyan. Sasakay na si Marcus. Try niyo i-drive. Woo! Ang ganda ng gift.
It's about the journey. Yung journey na mapupuntahan niya may left and right, pero at the end of the day, makakarating pa rin siya sa Bacolod. So, nandito lang kami to support him. We will make sure that we will try our best na doon pa rin siya sa tamang daan.
Tama nga naman. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Alright. Liligpitin na natin bagya muna ng okasyon na to with our fun parlor games. For our first game will be entitled The Longest Greeting Game for Game. Parang kulang yung energy. Gusto ko ng maraming energy! Scream and shout, come on! Say yes, come on! Matutupad yung vision ni Ma'am mamaya after these games. Alright, for our first game will be entitled The Longest Greeting Game for our adults. For the mechanics of this game, please listen carefully. Just have the longest greeting game. Just have the longest greeting. Happy birthday, Marcus! Pahabaan. Yung may pinakamahaba, panalo. Kung panalo ka, you will claim a prize from sponsored by Formula 1. Count lang. Ito na talaga. For our first player, please come forward. Opo. Miss Rizamil, ready na sila, no? Ma'am, ano pong pangalan nila?
Kim po.
Kim, kumusta po?
Hindi naman po. Kamusta po kayo?
I'm fine, I'm doing great. How about you?
Yes.
Anyway, ma'am, saan ka po?
Dito po sa Bahrain or sa...
Sa Bahrain muna.
Good idea.
Libya. Sa Pinas.
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija, ang pinagmamalaki ng taga Nueva Ecija.
Sa Nueva Ecija, nagmumula ang bigas.
Ang bigas, ibig sabihin. Gaano marami ang bigas sa Nueva Ecija?
Hindi ko alam yan.
Ang yung president tatas ko ito, ha? Miss, ano po parang ulit nila? Ian, kumusta si Paolo Abelino? Kumusta si Paolo Abelino?
Paulo? Hindi po kami nagtuloy.
po kayo nagtuloy? Bakit hindi nagtuloy? Bumalik kay Gerald. Anong rason?
Ha?
Bakit po kayo nagkahiwalay? Kung type mo si Gerald, kung para kay Paul Abilino, pakita mo kami ng mas type. Come on! Sayawan na ako! Ay, palaban! Palaban! Hindi ko na-expect yun, ha? Hindi ko na-expect.
Happy birthday, Marco!
Gusto ko yung maging sportsmanship ni Ma'am Kim. Ilan po? Kailan po? 13.7 round of natin, 40 seconds. Anyway, Ma'am, ano po pangalan nila?
Julia Montes.
Julia Montes. Naku, ang ganda pala ng Julia Montes sa personal. Kumusta po yung taping yung with Carlo Dalisay? Yan pala, no? Ano na pala ngayon? Quiapo, Abakang Quiapo, Tanggol na pala. Kumusta po yung taping, Ma'am Julia?
No comment po.
No comment. Kasi kung no comment tayo, hindi na daw natin papasayaw eh. Longest birthday na tayo. Happy birthday, Marcus. In 1, sir. Timer po tayo. In 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Happy birthday, Marco!
Nakailang segundo po, sir. Pakinggan po. Ay, nire-record pa rin ni Sir, no? 15.7, 16 seconds. For our third player, Mami. Kanina, na-meet ko siya sa lift. Tapos tinanong niya kung anong nationality. Kung anong lengguwahe ko. Sabi ko, may Ilocano. Proud of Ilocano. Ma'am, taga-saan ka sa Pinas? Ano ang pangalan nila? Ursel po. Ano po ang pangalan nila? Kumain. Maliban sa kumain, ano pa ang talent nila?
Ano ba tayo?
Kumanta. Ganun ka lang, ma'am. Kung marunong ka kumanta at kumain, pagsabayin mo yung talent mo, kumanta at kumain. Bigyan natin siya ng ina. Anyway, ma'am, herself po. Kailangan marunong kasi sumayaw, ma'am, ha? Oo, bago tayo magpasit sa next birthday. Miss Riza May, in my counting, Miss herself will gonna dance in 1, 2, 3. Palakpakan! Ganon. Ganon pa lang yung impact ng mga Ilocano, no? Ganon pa lang yung impact ng mga Ilocano. Thank you so much, Reza. Proceed na tayo sa longest birthday. Happy birthday, Marcus.
Wala na akong paglatyan. Happy birthday, Marco!
Nakailang segundo ko? Oh my God, 10! So far, hindi pa nabigyan ang 17 seconds. Sino kayo makakabit? Second to the last player. Parang, yun, second to the last sister. Mami, kumusta po? Ang ganda naman ng hairpin mo. Saan mo nabili? Diyan na sa akin. Magkano po? Adrian, ano siya po binili, Mama? Jeep? Yes. Jeep. Anong madalas mong bilhin? Bukod sa hair clip? Iba? Kasi, hindi ko na ipapahaya. Hindi ko pa medyo personal. Anyway, ma'am, tatanungin kita taga-saan ka. Ano pa pangalan nila? Ganito muna. Pangalan, taga-saan, tapos talent sa pagsayaw. Alright. For our third player, what is your name?
Alice!
Where are you from?
Aba!
Come on, show what you got. Sayaw po! Ang galing pala ni Ma'am. Palakpakan to the longest birthday. Come on.
Happy birthday, Marco!
May pag-eat siya parang singer, professional singer. Oh my God, naka-28 seconds. Sir, ano pong pangalan nila? Randy Santiago. Sir, baka pwede mong isuot yung shade mo para sa akin. Mukha mo si Randy Santiago. Ganito sir, ang gawin mo. Ako nga pala si Randy Santiago. Ganon. Tapos, ang gopito na, ulong ka po, parang ganon. Pero depende, kung tagasang ka. Tagasang ka po? Ano ba yung magiging screen name mo? Parang, kunyari, example, ako nga pala si Stanley Santos. Ang gwapo. Ang gwapito na ng Bulacan. Ganon. Sir Randy, come on. Okay na daw po, sige po. Wala lang po po, sir. Sir, dito ka? Do the longest birthday game? Come on.
Happy birthday, Marco!
Palakpakan! Nakailan kayang segundo si Sir Randy? 14. Nanalo yung 16.7, not off 17 seconds. We will proclaim our winner for this longest birthday game for our adult, Miss Kim. Please come here in front and receive your prize coming from the Asman or Collection Asman family. Come forward, ma'am. You are the winner. Palakpakan naman dyan for our winner, Miss Kim. Alright, for our second game, will be entitled the Bring Me Game. For the mechanics of this game, just bring the item that I will mention and be the first to come here in front. Bibigyan ko kayo ng magandang prizes here. Marami tayong prizes na nakalaan para sa inyo. For our first Bring Me white hair, puting buhok. Be the first. Alright, be the first to come here in front. Puting buhok, come on! Nanalo na siya. Okay. Yay! Daddy Omar. Mommy Lorraine. Okay. Give the prize na po. Oo. Oh, nanalo siya. Tapos picture taking tayo para mga pictures. Picture mo na po dito sa ating winner. Nasa na winner natin, kuya? Picture taking, come on! Kuya, picture taking. Picture taking para marami tayong memories.
Okay, 1, 2.
Isa pa daw.
1, 2. Why, baby? Not like that. 1, 2.
Ayun, naman talaga. For our... Sige po. Meron pa tayong picture photographer pa. Anyway, for our third Bring Me game, bring me your CPR! Bring me your CPR! Hello? 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 Be the first for the CPR. Ayun. Ano pangalan mo, ma'am? Manager, sorry. Naku, ma'am, ikaw na yung parang nakita na kita dati. Naku, ma'am. Ito natin pinagahanap. Most wanted. Alright, receive your prize. Picture tayo. Picture tayo. Nasa na yung official photographer na. Picture tayo. Alright. For our third Bring Me game, fourth Bring Me item, bring me your mommy and daddy here in front. Complete family. Bring mommy and your daddy. Yung totoong pamilya po. Yung totoong anak niyo po. Bring me your daddy and your mommy here in front.
Wala.
Ay, naku, kailangan daw mag-showdown. Pag-ingat sa pagsayaw. In 1, 2, 3. Sayaw muna. Ano pangalan ng pamilya to? Martin family. Show your best dance move. Come on. Come on, Martin family. Dance! Woo! Naku, wala pa kayo mga kamay. Ang galing sumayaw ang Martin family. Magpapahuling ba? Magpapatalo ba ang next family? Dito po sa harapan? Okay po, dito po sa harapan. Ano po ito? Ano pong family name nila? Ano pong family name nila? Rosario family. Rosario. Ako. Kamag-anak mo po yung si Rosario family, no? Come on, Rosario family. Show me your best move. Show me your dance move. Come on. Woo! Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Naku, walang naman yung audience natin. Palakpakan na dyan! Naku, sino gusto yung manalo? Martin family o Rosario family? Martin family, palakpakan! Rosario family, palakpakan! Mas malakas yata yung Rosario family. Alright, Rosario family, you are our winner. Dito na po sa harapan? Oo. Basta ka talaga ng Ilocano. Masapol na talaga. Masapol, ha? Mano? May kito yung isang wala na. Mana? Hindi ka isang wala na. Tapos picture tayo with ang Mami Lorraine. Picture tayo, picture tayo. Me, item, bring me pair of shirt here in front. Tanggal na shoes. Be the first, here in front. Tanggal. Remove your shoes. Pair of shoes. Palaban tayo sa team nyo. Okay lang, tanggal. O sige, okay na yan. Panalo na si Marvin. Okay. Tapos ano, picture tayo ulit.
Ay, ano pala pala? Ay, ano ba mga audience natin?
Naku, yung ibang audience natin, ha? Nakuna yung laklak. First picture. Thank you so much, Kim. Last, bring item for our adult. Bring me red purse or red handkerchief. Anything color red. Anything color red. Kahit anong kulay ng red, be the first. Here it is. Nanalo na si Martin family. Nanalo na si Martin family. Oh, picture naman tayo, Mami. Picture tayo. Ay, naghubad. Wow, hug na hug. Hug na hug. Ang galing. Proceed naman tayo sa mga kids. To all the kids, get ready for our bring item for you. Alright, for our first bring item for our kid. Bring yourself here in front. Wala na akong isip. Bring yourself here in front. Dali mo yung sarili mo dito sa harapan. Come on, kid. Come on. You know, bring yourself here in front. Okay, panalo na si Kuya. Ay, sino? Nanalo siya. You're the first. You're our winner. Okay, congratulations, dear. How's picture? Dito tayo sa picture tayo. Dalawa na daw. Okay. Picture tayo, kids. Together with mommy and daddy. Sir, photographer, picture tayo. Pagod kasi mo. Anyway, proceed na tayo mag-present dinner tayo. Three more bring item for our kids. Bring me picture ulit, no? Pasensya na ha. Gusto ka lang maraming picture. Picture ulit tayo. Alright, congratulations there. Two more, bring natin for you kids. At this time, bring me your daddy. Bring me your daddy. Kung meron mami, dapat may daddy din. Para complete family. Bring me your daddy kids. Come on, be the first here in front. Anong daddy? Mami lang meron. Kung walang daddy, bring me your granny, Lola. May Lola? Wala pa rin, no? Okay. Anything color red. Any color red. Bring here in front. Para sa mga kids. Ay, ito? Okay lang? Okay. Panalo ulit ikaw. Congratulations. Last na lang, mom, no? Last. Marami pa. Okay, magpapalaro na ito yung pinaka-last birthday item. Thank you, Morgan. Alright. Last bring me item. Bring me pair of shoes for the kids. Tanggal. Bigyan natin yung chance itong kids. Tanggal. Bring me your shoes. Remove your shoes. And be the first to come here and throw. Bigyan natin ng chance si kid. Other kids. Sorry, dear. Thank you. Congratulations. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga, ladies and gentlemen, for our next game will be entitled the musical chair sa ating mga adults na lang. Okay, pangunahan na ni Sir. Sir, musical chair tayo. Pangunahan mo. Bring your own chair. Bring your own chair. Ayan, pangunahan ni Sir. Our game will be entitled the musical chair. For the mechanics of this game, just listen carefully. What we're going to do, you need to rotate along those chairs clockwise position, and we need to dance as well because we're going to give a prize for the best dancer. Gusto niyo yun? Ito. Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun? Ayun. Anyway, Riza, in my counting, we're gonna do the musical chair for our adults. Ready na ba ang mga adults natin? Say yes, come on! Is really shout, say yes, come on! Say yes, come on! Walang energy. Say yes, come on! One time. Riza May, music play, come on! Pagalinis ang siyaw. Parang hindi sumali dito. Sumali sa mga. Share natin. Ang hirap pa na mawalan to. Yung pala yung feeling. Sakit. Now, music player is come on. Sing that. Sayawan, come on. Bibigyan mo ng prize yung best answer. Para malagay yung skin na yun. You feel? No, sir! Napakadingin. Sir! Ay! Anong pakiramdam ng nawalan, sir? Yung pala yung pakiramdam ng nawalan, hungry. Gutom na siya. Okay, arrange those chairs. Anti-clockwise pushing rin tayo. And dance. Risa 1. Ang galing sumayo isa. Sabi ba? Sayawan! Ang sayo-sayo. Tatanungin din kita, anong pakiramdaman mo ng tagaw na bumulong? Ito na rin. Di bali, ma'am. Kakain na tayo din later. Alright? Play, Riza. Hindi tayo pwede hinagkampongker. Ang galing talagang sumayaw at kumanta ni Sir Sam. Kailangan niya siyang pinapayos, pero later na. Anyway, remove chair. 4 players, 3 chairs remaining.
Mama niyo, balik na sila.
Ako si Grace! Miss Grace! Ito na talaga, hindi ako bubulod. Ano ang pakiramdam? Ma'am, sir! Ano ang pakiramdam ng nawalan? Giveaway na lang talaga. Anyway, 2 players, I mean 2 chairs, 3 players for this musical chair. Anyway, 1 chair, 2 players. Sino naman nanalo? We will find out. Come on, Riza. Play the music. With Paolo Abelino. Paolo Abelino will give the prize. Paolo Abelino? Wala. Si Miss Lorena lang natin. Ito na talaga. Practice na yun. Ladies and gentlemen, ito na yung panghuli. Panghuling game para sa ating mga adults. Popping off the balloons. Sam, paunahan mo please. Na naman. Sam, for the musical chair. Okay. 2 teams, 4 players each. Boys and girls. Popping off the balloons game. Adi Omar, pinag-usapan natin yung una, kailangan gawin natin yun. Ganito muna gagawin natin bago natin gawin yung popping off the balloons. Adi Omar, marunong ka ba mag-spell? Si Mami Lorraine. Si Mami Lorraine,
Pangalan ko.
ano na? Okay, S. P. A. N. Stand. Lang lang. Spell your name using your verb. Daddy Or! Palakpakan mo dyan! Okay. O. M. A. R. Ang galing naman talaga ni Seth Spell, no? O, babae naman. O naman. O naman. Ano ba nga ulit? Ano na lang yung nickname mo? Okay, Ling. Okay, spell your name. Come on. Ang galing. Ayun. Lalaki naman tayo, sir. Nako. Sir, ano pangalan mo, sir? John, madali lang. Spell your name using your body. Come on. J. O. H. N. Ang galing naman talaga ni Seth. Bigyan natin ang price yan liter. Si Ma'am. Ano pangalan mo? Ano pangalan mo, Ma'am? Lapuno. Madali lang. Ay, tapos na ako eh. Basta kaya na lang daw. K. A. T. Yeah. O, diba? Ikaw naman. Naku, napapayas ng Lori. K. Kaya mo yan, Ma'am? Sige, nalungkot tuloy ako. Ikaw na lang, sir. Bumabalik yung energy ko. Ikaw na lang, sir. Spell your name using your body.
Sabi ko na.
O, si Sam na lang. Come on, Sam. Spell your name using your body.
Napakaya ko kasi Chrysanthemum. Pero Sam na lang.
Sam na lang. Anyway, madalit naman si Sam, no? Now, come on. Spell your name using your body. S. A. M. Ang galing. Pinagdagan pa talaga. O, sige na, sister na yung last. Last na po siya. Last.
Nag-exit.
Ano ba yan? Ito yung pag-asa ko. O, gusto mo sa ano ko. Ito na yung pag-uli. Si Kim na lang. Siya na lang yung magiging proxy. Spell your name using your bag. Come on. K. Bumaba yung energy ko. K. O, diba? I. M. O, diba? Ang galing-galing ka ni Kim. O, yung pag-uli. Ano ba yung pag-uli? Ano pong pangalan nila? Chris. Ay, ang ganda pala ni Chris.
Saan natin kay tayo ha?
Chris Aquino, how are you, man? How's Poppy? You're well. You're well. Anyway, Chris, spell your name using your body. C. H. R. I. S. Alright, congratulations. Now, ito na yung moment we've been waiting for the popping of the balloons. One line. Nasaan na si Kim? One line. One line. Okay, tapos na tayo. One line. One line plus natin mga ano, boys. Bago tayo mag-proceed. Ano ang magiging cheer ninyo? Cheer for the ladies, cheer for the boys. Cheer. Cheers! Ay, ano ba yung sa akin mga cheer for the ano? Parang siguro, anything, any cheer. Practice muna kayo ha, para sa cheer. Mag-practice muna kayo ng cheer ninyo. Tapos na. Nako, ito na talaga. Papakinggan natin ang cheer ng mga kalalakihan. Sabihin ko din, magpapakala ng ating mga kababaihan. Mga kalalakihan, magkumpol-kumpol para sa balance natin ko kaysa ito na yun. Bago tayo mag-umpisa sa dinner time. May isang balon dito. May isang balon dito. Ito asa balon. Kung ano kayo ng balon sa inyo, ito na talaga. Masaya to. Isang linya para sa babae, isang linya para sa lalaki. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last part of our game entitled The Popping of the Balloons. Please listen carefully for the mechanics of this game. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put your balloons in between your legs. You need to walk a little. Kaya, huwag ihulog ang balloon hanggang makaabot sa chair. You need to put down your balloon and pop it, and so on and so forth. Once you're done, you need to raise your hands and shout. Tapos na kami sa done. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all ready? Parang kulang yung energy. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Once more, are you ready? Para kay Marcos, ready na ba? Ready na. Mga ate, mga kuya, let's all witness our adults for the popping of the balloons in my counting. Do the popping of the balloons in 1, 2, 3, 1. Naku, parang nananalo na yung ating mga kids. Nakasaan na yung kids? Wala pa tayo man.
A few moments later.
Simon Says Game for our kids. To all kids, please come forward. Join me here in front for another game for you. Kids, are you ready for our last game for you? Say yes if you're ready. I want energy since we're going over here. Say yes, one. Louder, scream and shout one. Scream and shout one. Yung nakakabingin, come on. Ang lakas, ang takas ng energy ng mga kids natin. Listen carefully for the mechanics of this game, kids. Bear with me, please listen carefully with my instruction. Hi kids, bear with me. Okay, the mechanics of this game entitled Simon Says Game. Alright, it will be like this. I will say an instruction. Example, Simon says jump. Simon says turn around. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says sit down. Go in front. Run away. Walk away. Okay. Alam niyo yung instruction. Alright, the instruction. With Simon says, you need to follow. Walk away. Run away yun eh. Dapat walk away. I don't know where's the prize. Hindi ko alam yung prize dito. Congratulations. Yung mami, consolation. Para maubos yung prices natin. Alright kids, make one line more. Another line, please. Kasi nagkubrag si Kumare. Kuya, nakikita yung 3-page. Make one line. Alright, Simon says, get your father. Pull up the chair. Simon says, run away. Again. Run away. Simon says, come back here. Simon says, turn around. Simon says, jump. Simon says, run away. Kailangan ka ng mga kids para makatulong. Simon says, come back here. Simon says, nasa yung ating music player, coordinator, magsasayo sana. Simon says, dance. Simon says, jump. Simon says, run away again. Simon says, come back here. Simon says, run away. Simon says, go back here. Simon says, go away. Simon says, go home. Simon says, come back here. Alright, like my sister, Beshi. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we're going to witness the collection as the family for the christening program of our dear Marcus Brian Aslan, Collection Aslan, as we welcome him in a Christian world. Make a wish. Daddy Omar and Mommy Lorraine. It's time to blow the candle. Okay. Alright, blow the candle. Alright. Welcome to Christian World, Marcus! And then your picture.
And then Marcus.
Welcome. And then your picture now, sir. Before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Marcus as he celebrates for the first year of his life. First year of existence for tonight, amazing occasion. Take it away, Daddy Omar.
I'd like to thank you, host, and also sa lahat ng mga friends and relatives na wala po tayo sa first birthday ni Marcus. I know this is my only present sa kanya, so thank you sa inyo.
Ang husky naman. I would like to thank everyone who made their way to celebrate Marcus' special day. We're very, very, very thankful talaga na kasi it's a blessing na binigay siya ni Lord sa amin. And kayo, ang nakasama namin, witness kayo kung gano'n siya na-special and special gift from God. Diba? So, thank you everyone. Sana sa pagtanda pa ni Marcus, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa second year birthday niya or malay niyo hanggang sa wedding niya. Kita-kita pa rin tayo. Marami, ikaw pa rin ba ang host? Tignan natin na magpakalakas ka ha. Salamat po ulit and sa mga pauwi, ingat po kayo sa daan. God bless you all. Thank you.
What a heartwarming and wonderful message coming from the proud and loving parents of Marcus. That was once again the collection as my family. Daddy Omar, Mommy Lorraine. My name once again is Stanley Santos. We would like also to say thank you for our beautiful venue, the Apple Residence, for our beautiful decoration by Egypt and Splatter, for our music coordinator, Ms. Rizome, for our our photo booth from Kyle's Photo Booth. To all the participants who came for tonight's amazing occasion, maraming salamat. And God bless us all. We're just ending the program, but definitely we're opening the dance floor for you for our after party. And beverages and liquors are available at the back. Let's enjoy the rest of the night. Maraming salamat po, and God bless us all. I decided to let you ask my family, Daddy Omar and Mommy Ray, what will be your feedback or testimonial regarding from hosting? Take it away, Daddy Omar or Mommy Ray first.
I recommend studying for all your events, especially for these occasions. He also hosts weddings, so please contact him. He will put his contact details on below.
How about Daddy Omar? What will be your comment or feedback?
Okay, maganda na po ako this time. Sunday, ako na sa ulit kasi
thank you so much, sir. Bye-bye, guys. Maraming salamat.